Hello and welcome to or welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany and today I'm going to be trying out the Kiss Magnetic Eyeliner False Lashes. Now I do wear false lashes every once in a while. I have my collection up here that I posted back in February, and since then I haven't added anything to that collection, but I was sent these by Influencer and I'm gonna try them out. So I've looked at some magnetic eyeliner eyelashes before, and a couple of them you have to be bare-faced, nothing on, and so that's not really my style. If I'm gonna be wearing false lashes, it's always while I've got more on my face. So the reviews that I'd read and the instructions didn't seem like they would work out for me, but these don't really say anything about makeup or not. They just say pair Kiss Magnetic Eyeliner with your favorite regular eyeliner to create your desired look. Freely swap between other Kiss double strength magnetic lashes. Make sure to fully draw in the magnetic eyeliner where the magnets will be touching. Slide them off the tray, do not pull, and reapply 2 or 3 more coats for maximum strength. So this doesn't say anything about having to wear no eyeliner or no eye makeup at all. It just says to go for your life with this one. In fact, it does say that you could put it on over top of other eyeliner in order to get just as fine of a look. So we're gonna try this. However, I did pull these out of the box earlier just to see if I needed to trim them. There are 5 magnets for each one. Let me set this down over here. Each lash has 5 little magnets on there, and on the outer corner there's 2 magnets here, so if you needed to trim, you could trim off one of those magnets there. And then you've got here and one on the inner. Now when I did pull off this one, you have to slide them off of the magnets on the tray, because if you pull, it will remove the magnet. And that's what happened here. I didn't pull it, I went to slide it, and the adhesive that was already on the lash and the magnet came off. So on this one I have some eyelash glue. Hopefully it works. I don't know, I haven't checked it yet, but they seem to fit me okay. So while that's drying, it just says to go ahead and put the eyeliner on. So let's see. I again have a full get up here, and then I just have on this eye, I just have where I had blended out my foundation just to even out the skin tone. I've got a little bit of eyeliner in the waterline and some regular mascara. So I'm going to use this as a full eyeliner for both of these, and I'll probably fast forward through this just a little bit so you can see the application, as well as, you know, it's probably going to take me a long time to really get the shape that I want. So this is the tube. It comes like this, and for reference, my eyeliners, let's see, this is a travel size of the KVD Tattoo eyeliner. It looks like this, so it's about the size of a travel size eyeliner. However, the product in here is, how much is in here? It says it's 5 grams, and the KVD has, it's just 0.2 mils or 0.007 fluid ounces, and this is 0.17 fluid ounces. So there's quite a bit more in here, and let's see what it looks like. So, all right, so it does come with a brush tip. Let's see if I can get stuff to focus today. There we go. So it is a brush tip, so that allows good control, and let's see how it applies and let's see how opaque it is. I think I'll go ahead and I'll do the bare eye first, just so I don't get any product contamination. So we'll see how that goes. Just gonna wipe it off. Whew. Okay, so it's going on pretty opaque and quite runny. So it did dry down pretty quickly on this eye. It does feel very, very runny and liquidy, but I felt that it applied all right. I'm not mad about it. It's a little bit messy over here, but I think it's just the pressure of putting eyeliner on camera. So let's go ahead and see how it works over on my painted eye. All right, now I know you all have one eye that always turns out better than the other, and here we are. All right, so again, it still feels a little bit liquidy, but I like how that went over there. I might need to do another layer. If you can see right here in the middle, it looks a little bit sheer. So I'm just gonna put one more coat over top of there, just to make sure that I have enough adhesion there for when we put these on. All right, a while back I did buy a pair of the Kiss lash tweezer thingies. I couldn't grab those words. And let's see if I need those or not to apply these. So it's dried down pretty nicely, and I like the, I can't do one eye on this eye. I like the opacity of this mascara or eyeliner. And so let's go ahead and slide these off the tray. So I'm just going from the outside in to slide that off of there. Oh, okay. And then let's slide this one off, just like that. And drop the packaging. Okay, and so this should go on this eye. All right, I can feel the magnet on my eyelid, and that was a weird sensation, but it's sticking, and that's not bad. I am gonna use these to move these just a bit. But actually, that works really well. They feel secure on my eyelash, on my eyelid, and they look pretty good. Oh my goodness, let me clean this up. So this eye feels a little bit droopy here. I don't know if that's my eyelash or if that's the magnet. They're really lightweight. So I like that length too. That's actually really nice. They feel secure. All right, but I can move it easily. Yep, I needed to move that up just a little bit. And it's up there on the top of that line. But I like that. All right, so let's try this eye. Let's see how it holds over top of this eye. So I can't remember if I said this or not, but when I was sliding them off the tray, this one, which is the inner corner magnet, popped off, which wouldn't be a problem if it had been the outer corner, because I could have just had that other magnet there to back up. But since this is the inner part of the lash, there's only one magnet, so I went ahead and I used some of my House of Lashes lash glue to glue the lash back to the magnet. So let's see how this works out. I'm gonna pop off this inner one first. Oh, maybe. And then grab, real time people. Come on, that one, and then grab this one. All right, so I've got it here, like this. And I'm just gonna juggle these things back and forth. I can still kind of feel that glue on the inner corner, but I know it's already dry. So let's angle this way and see if I can do this. All right, yeah, the only drawback here is that I can visibly see the lash glue in that inner corner. These lashes have a clear band. And let me see if I can show you. These lashes have a clear band, so that means that you can see the band or see through the band. They're not all covered with hair. It's kind of or hair-like things, and the magnets are kind of small, but they're kind of just glued to that strip there, that clear band, which is nice because you can see through and underneath. But at the same time, when I went to put that lash glue to hold this magnet back on, I can still see some of this glue. So let's try this again. Okay, now this side with the makeup, I'm not feeling the magnetic pull as much as I am on the clear side. So I may have to go in with more of this eyeliner to get it to stick. It's not sticking, but I don't feel the pull as strongly on this side as I did that side. Okay, and now what I'm doing is I'm just kind of using my finger to make sure those magnets are over top of that eyeliner. And what I mean by a clear lash band is you can see that lash band underneath there, which isn't not a bad thing, but it does look like fake lashes. And I mean the same on this side too. So this one doesn't feel as secure, but it doesn't feel insecure. It just feels okay. Now, I do like the look of these though. They're nice and light. They're like my lashes, but better without the thickness of extra mascara. So I think they look really nice on the natural side, and the glam side, I think they look okay, but definitely more subdued. So if I were going to choose a lash for this kind of an eyeshadow look, I probably would choose something that's a little more flared and a little more dramatic. But as far as like natural neutral makeup, I think these look great on this side. I'm not unhappy about that. So it was pretty easy. There's no, the pros are, it was pretty easy. If you are a liner user, a liquid eyeliner user, then this might work well for you. If you're not, then it's probably not going to work as well. However, one of the pros is that even if you're not used to it, you can practice, and it's really easy. There's no really wait for drying time as far as glue goes. You don't have to set timers or guess if it's tacky or not. These are easily moved and removed. Now, as far as price variance, that's going to be up to you, because everyone's feelings on value is different. So if you're going to be wearing them multiple times, they might be a better value. However, I don't know how well these magnets hold up as far as longevity. The box says they can be reused, and the tray that it comes with does have little magnets here so that when I take them off, I can just pop them back on the thing. Now, I'll have to do that here. Let me try that. Let me see how easy they are to remove. All right, so yeah, very easily removed. And then you just pop them back on the tray. Easy peasy. So, I mean, these might be nice for someone who wears lashes, and there's no mess. So this band is just as clean as when I put them on to begin with, because they're not saturated with lash glue. So there's no gluey mess to deal with. And then I can just pop these, and I can just pop them right back on like I'm gonna do now. So, if I can't just pop them right back on. Let's see, all right, I felt that magnet there. And you can kind of feel the magnet. You can feel if it's in the right place, especially with this first magnet. Now I didn't put enough in the inner corner here, but I can still feel that it's generally in the right place. I have to slide it over just a little bit more and then slide these over just a little bit. And now everything is in the right place. I could probably trim this one a little bit on this side because most of our eyes are just a slightly different shape. I could probably go ahead and get away with trimming this side, but since I already have this magnet issue on the front, I'll probably just leave them. So far, I like these. I think that they're pretty user-friendly if you're used to using eyeliner, if you're used to a liquid eyeliner. Now, I forgot to shake it before I put these on. So definitely, yeah, that might make a difference, but I don't know, it's a good eyeliner. I did drop it though before filming, so I mean, I guess kind of it was already shaken up just a little bit. But anyway, what do you think? Do you use a magnetic eyeliner? Have you tried a magnetic eyeliner or magnetic lashes before? This is just one, so there's no too clampy system. It's just draw your eyeliner as normal if you're a normal eyeliner wearer like this, and stick it on and go. I liked these. I'm actually pleasantly surprised by these. Yeah, if you want to follow me for more content and see if there's any update on how I feel about these lashes, go ahead and follow me over on Instagram at tiffany.hamblin. I look forward to trying these again, and hopefully this magnet sticks on the inside. I might take, no, I probably won't put super glue on anything that's gonna go that close to my eye, but I do have lash glue on it, and hopefully it holds up even better. Yeah, I like that. I think it's really pretty. Again, I would probably go for a more full style on a lash like this, or with an eye look like this, but for today, I just wanted to do something to kind of test it out to see if you could wear this kind of an eyeliner, magnetic eyeliner over top of eyeshadow, or if you had to wear it barefaced like this. So that's it for me today. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. And don't forget to hit subscribe if you're not subscribed. I am trying to get a little bit more back on my own personal schedule for uploads. So if you would like to follow me between uploads, I am at tiffany.hamblin on Instagram, and you can follow my Project Pan and my Eyeshadows of Shame over there, as well as some other content that I post. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and spending some of your very valuable time with me today. And until next time, take care.